Hello friends, this is me Suman, and from the last few days I am working on essential oils. These days oils are the most trending in the skincare, hair care, or in aromatherapies, spa treatments, in your beauty care products, and in your to keep your home fresh. And we can use them in oil diffusers, you can use them in candle making, you can use them in soap making. So from the last few days, as I told you, that I am working on the essential oils. So in the upcoming videos I am going to show you how to use different essential oils and uh, different kind of things, and how you can use them and get the all the benefits of that essential oil. So in this video we are going to unbox the essential oil. Stay tuned and let's get unbox the essential oils. Let's begin with unboxing. I have ordered 12 essential oils, which are of 15 ml pack, 15 ml bottle pack, and all the bottles are made up of glass. uh, so I have got these 2 packs of 6 essential oils each, and I got these essential oils. These are very aromatic. I love them very much. And all the essential oil always came in the glass bottle because to uh, maintain their properties, and they came in dark bottles so that they do not affected by the sunlight or the heat or any kind of light. So one of the bottle was damaged, that was of peppermint, but still these things happen in transportations. So this is the lemon essential oil, and this one is tea tree oil, which we can use in hair oil, mix with hair oil, or you can mix with your shampoos and conditioners. This is lavender, which is used for dealing with anxiety, depression, and better sleep, relaxation. This is lang lang, which is antibiotic properties, and it has anti-aging properties also. This is lemongrass, which has very nice flavor of lemongrass, so you can use in oil diffusers. This is frankincense, and this is cinnamon, tea tree, rosemary, orange, citronella, cinnamon, lavender, rosemary. These I have got 12 bottles, so we can mix match them into different recipes or different uses for different purposes. So in the coming videos I'm going to show you how to use them. You can use them in many ways and get the benefits of these. So these are some of the essential oils which I explored, and and I'm exploring a lot more of essential oils because I used them in my skincare routine, in my hair care, and I love to use them in oil diffusers and in the candles also. So in the I hope you like the unboxing of the videos, and in the coming videos we are going to use them in different ways. So do stick to my channel and watch the upcoming videos, so that you can get to know the different types and different uses, do's and don'ts of all the essential oils, and like that use in your routine day-to-day life and get the benefit of essential oils. But before using any kind of essential oil, please do test your skin test for yourself, because for some people some oils may suit or may not suit them. So before using them, please test the skin test, so that you get the best essential oil for yourself and your family. And let's be ready for the upcoming videos. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that press the bell icon and press all, so that you can get all the notifications from my channel for the upcoming videos. I hope you like my videos, and thanks for joining me, thanks for watching me. Thanks. Meet me in the next video. Bye. Till then, bye bye.